welcome you watching Business Today. This is Asta Chopra. We are at GFF day number 2 and we have a very special guest with us, Mr. Sandeep, who is the CEO of Payments at Bharat Pay. Thank you so much, Sandeep, for speaking to us. It's GFF 2025. It's day 2. With all the hectic schedule, you have crossed our time and we had a chance to chat. Let's discuss about the theme. What is your theme at GFF 2025? What makes it different? What is the excitement all about at Bharat Pay?
See, Bharat Pay was always known about for their offline payments, and we are one of the leader in terms of providing UPI QR, and we were serving millions of merchants and providing them with the QR. Now, in this GFF, we have done a launch of our Bharat Pay X, which is come with an X factor. All the payment gateway, they provide API. We don't just stop there. We provide the complete in-app payment experience to the customer, whereby we help them to safeguard their behavioral signals of their customers, and we also provide them a specialist team which will help them integrate this service faster, and that reduces their integration time to 1/3. And we had also given them this AI co-pilot. These are the team of specialists which are available physically also, and they are also available virtually. So that means if I wanted to serve any client and he has any requirement of product, or he has a requirement of tech, or he need any navigation in terms of talking to banking partners or NPCI, so we have a team which helps them. And this is the problem what we have seen, that generally when any UPI payment happens, people generally transfer the customer to a different app, which may be a competition app, and whereby they are actually not only transferring payment, they are actually transferring data and sometimes relationship also. This is what Bharat Pay understand, and we help them solve this thing to provide in-app payment experience so that customers remain within the app, they know the outcome, and they also drive the lifetime value of the customer.
Very well said. Also, when it comes to AI and technology, which was very pilot in the stages, if you talk about GFF 2024, it was very pilot stages, but now it's a part of the life. So going forward, where do we see what will be the strategies of Bharat Pay going forward? There are so many payment methods, but it's not only restricted to the payments, because now it's come to AI as well. So what are some of the strategy to fight your competitors, to get all the customers on board, more and more growth, and what are your expectations?
The theme, mainly we come with 3 promises. We are not just a payment gateway, we are the execution partner. We don't do a forced redirection. In-app UPI payment is the focus. We help merchant to provide them UPI plugin, or if they wanted to become a TPAP, we help them become a TPAP. And we allow customer to, the thing what I said, that a specialist team has been given, that consistently standardized. This team is actually not replacing their existing team. It is giving you the standardized best practices which help them ship their product faster. And the AI assistant is like, you ask AI any questions and it will help you. Say for example, you can ask, I wanted to integrate UPI auto pay, or I wanted to integrate cash checkout page. It will not only give you the user journey, it will also give you API guidance, and it will also give you a sample code which can be dropped in your app, and you'll be able to integrate faster, and all corner edge cases and everything are taken care.
Okay, well, before let you go, Sandeep, just one thing. What can be the expectations in GFF 2026? Will be there more innovations per se as the side of Bharat Pay? What more can we expect? What other things are in the pipeline?
I think AI is actually driving the market and in the entire industry, and that is what is going to create a differentiating factor. Like, if I can service X number of clientele, right, and to serve another next clientele list, I cannot get another Sandeep Indurkar, right? But if I am available physically and I am also available virtually, and I am giving the same consistent response to my client, right, virtually also and physically also, then it is a scalable model, okay? And that consistency and standardization will drive this thing.
Exactly. Well said, Sandeep. Thank you so much for your lovely insights and thank you for taking time out in such hectic schedule and speaking to us. We hope that we see you very, very soon and, of course, especially in GFF 2026 with more innovations, more products, and more with consumer centric strategies. Thank you so much, Sandeep, for speaking to us. Thank you.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.